Hi guys, you're watching Smash Solution, and in today's video I'm going to tell you a best website where you can search a courses, where you can learn something with Google and you can get a certificate of it. Okay, everything is going to be very free and it is a very best website over the internet I have gone through. Everything is there, everything that you need for certification, for courses, for learning, everything is here. What you have to do, just go into the Google and search over Google Digital Unblock. Unblock and search it. Okay, and here the first website that you will see, learndigital dot with google.com. So click over it. As you click over it, you are directed to this official website. Here I'm already logged in, so that's why I'm getting this interface. Otherwise you will be able to see here get started or sign up. Okay, so let's click over the get started and you will be redirected to its main page after you choose your account. Okay, and you will be login, and here you can see the lots of courses here. Okay, and you will going to get the certificate from Google itself for digital marketing. Here the first course, that is digital marketing, thereafter career development, thereafter data science and tech. For if you want a course from lengthwise means what should be the course duration. Okay, so there are filters also for this. Under 2 hours you will get the courses. For under 2 hours courses, under 2 to 10 hours, under 11 to 20 hours, and 20 plus hours courses are also available here. Okay, so you just have to check the box according to your requirement and search for it. Thereafter you will be able to see the types of courses. Some are free courses here, some are paid courses here. So if you want to go for the free course, just click over this and go for the free course, and if you want to go for the paid course, you can also go for the paid course. Okay, thereafter courses difficulties. Let's say if you are practicing something where you know something already, a basics you know already, so you don't want to learn basics, you don't want to go through the basics again. So what you will choose, you will choose intermediate. Okay, and you can also choose advanced. Okay, so according to your requirement, according to your need, you can choose the courses, you can select the courses and go through that. Thereafter the website which provides courses, so many websites are here. You can scroll and see. Look, here Google itself is providing course. Thereafter applied digital skills. Thereafter Coursera is a very biggest website, so you can directly go to the Coursera also, but here you will able to see the paid and unpaid courses of every categories if it will be available. Okay, thereafter feature learning, Google Cloud, and so many websites are here. You can see the skill shop. So these are the website who are providing the courses. Okay, and on your right side corner you will able to see your filtered result. Okay, as you will be able to see as I have checked digital marketing course, so you are able to see this fundamental of digital marketing, and this the timing is showing 100%. Thereafter get a business online, and timing is showing 100%. So what does 100% means? I have completed these all courses from Google itself. Okay, I have spent this 40 hours of learning this course. I have spent 3 hours for learning this course. I have spent 3 hours for learning this course, and you'll be able to see how many courses I have completed from Google itself. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and almost 9. So I have myself tried this website and I have loved it a lot. Okay, and at the end of your course, you will surely going to get certificate from Google itself for digital marketing, because I have completed this course for Google digital marketing from Google. So I have get a certificate for digital marketing. More obviously you will be asked for exam after completion of your course, so you have to go through the exam for your certificate. If you failed, you will be given a time for some span, just revise your courses and then reappear for the exam. Okay, once you clear the exam you will get your certificate, e-certificate from Google itself. Okay, so this is one of the very best website to learn any course that you want to learn from online panel. Just go through it once and you will able to explore yourself a lot. Let's we check some other box so that we will able to see some different categories. Let's have a data and career and uncheck digital marketing. Okay, as you can see I have unchecked this, so there is some other courses are appearing, and I will again check free certificates. Okay, so now it will be again going to be filtered. So currently for data and tech there is zero courses, for free certification. Okay, and if I uncheck this and check digital marketing, here you can see the fundamentals of digital marketing is free for everybody. Okay, included certification, so you will able to get your certificate from here. 40 hours course is, and it is the best course. Okay, if you are learning digital marketing, so this is the best course. Everything is explained in this course. I myself gone through it and I have learned a lot. I have seen changes in myself from beginner to last level, what I was and what I was become after this course. It will give you an entire knowledge about what is digital marketing, how you can start from scratch digital marketing, and it will gonna help you a lot. And thereafter, if we see for career development, so there is still zero courses for free certification. Data and tech, there is still zero courses for certification. So more of the courses are yet to come. You just have to come time to time and you will able to see which courses are available, which courses are not available, and you will go through the courses and you will able to get certificates. And if you go for the paid certification, okay, just uncheck. So there is no courses for paid certification under 2 hours. Okay, so you have to go for the maximum hours. Okay, so if you are having any doubt, you just comment below. I will answer your every question. And here you can see there are the 41 courses result from beginner in Coursera. Okay, just go through this. You can go through these courses, learn these courses, and you will able to get certificate either for free or for paid. So if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channels, and please press the bell icon, because when we upload any video, we won't miss it. Thanks for watching.